I must say India is my favorite team among all the four semi-finalists because the way they played, the way they have all the batters and bowling lines. Obviously India because they are Asians and I think they are the only one Asians in the semi-final. The way.
If India goes to the final will not be
India will win the final. You are saying about
India goes to the final will not be here. After that, you supporting?
Obviously, I think India versus New Zealand will be the final and India will win the final. I must say.
So you support India?
Yes, I support India.
Tournament.
Yes, obviously. After Pakistan eliminate, I support India. There is no other option we have. I actually support the good cricket, and as a fan of cricket, I support India because they have a lot of youngsters and experienced players in their side. Like you can say Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, or youngster in Shubman Gill or Suresh Iyer. Hardik Pandya is also we can count him in the young side. So they are balanced side, and that's why I support India. So that's the political scenario, and only their side opinion, and I can't support this thing.
So are you not sad about this matter?
The way they are playing, as I support good cricket, or in Dubai or Pakistan, I must say no issue.
No doubt it's a bad thing for us because we are the host of Champion Trophy and the most favorite team of the Champion Trophy, India, which is not come in Pakistan and play cricket in Pakistan home ground. No doubt it's a good thing for us, but no doubt Pakistan and India also have some political differences. That's why our politics also involved in the cricket. That's why Indian team doesn't come here. And recently there is an unfortunate incident happened when New Zealand team was playing and militant political party supporter who entered in the ground and he just hugged the New Zealand players. And that's the main agenda. And so that's the main point which is supporting the Indian blame where they're saying that we have a security issue in Pakistan.
Now Pakistan is out and India is the only Asian country left in the tournament, so I'm supporting India right now. That's really heartbreaking that if India won against Australia, the finals will be in Dubai, and probably if Pakistan is hosting the tournament, that final should be in the Qaddafi Stadium, Lahore, because Lahore means the people who enjoyed each and everything. Basically, अगर लाहौरीज़ की बात की जाए तो लगता है कि जैसे आप कह सकते हो कि जिंदा दिलाने शहर, जिंदा दिलों का शहर है. तो अगर फाइनल यहाँ पर होता तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता था, बट इट्स ओके फाइन एंड एंजॉय करें दुबई के अंदर, हम फिर भी उन्हें सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. Yes, it doesn't matter if the finals in Dubai or in Pakistan. India just pick the trophy, lift the trophy.
For the subcontinent country.
Yes,
that's why you support.
Yes, that's why I'm supporting it.
So why are you supporting it? Tell me again.
I'm supporting India because it's the only Asian country which left in the tournament so far. So I believe that Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, they are out of the tournament. So other than you can see Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, they are all foreigner teams and they are contributing in this tournament. But probably Australia is no doubt a strong team. Australia is the winner of 2023 ODI World Cup and India chalked over there. So let's see, India and Australia again going to meet in the final, in the semi-finals. If India won, Pakistani people will be happy. If India don't won, people will be happy for Australia.
I think as India is performing, the India will be hot favorite. Not only favorite, India will be hot favorite as against Australia. I think they have to take a revenge of BGD. They have to take a revenge of ODI World Cup 2023. But no doubt, Australia is also performing as like they're shocking the Pakis, like as they are performing. Travis Head, Steve Smith, like outstanding performance by Australia as well as Team India. Because I like the quality cricket. I like the cricket that play a role model in the Pakistan cricket lover basically. So I says that India will be hot favorite, but the revenge of India and Australia both will be on the same pages.
So
the thing is here that we are not supporting only India. We are not supporting only Team India. We are supporting the quality cricket. The team play quality cricket, we will support. If Australia plays quality cricket, we support India. If England plays quality cricket, we support England. So basic thing is here that India is playing quality cricket. You can see that Varun Chakravarti, who takes fifer in this match today against New Zealand, the person is sitting on the bench. They named him in a squad, but he is sitting on a bench. Today he plays he takes 5 for. So I think they are playing quality cricket. That's why we are supporting India. The point here is that in semi-finals, India and Australia both are strongest team, both are unbeatable team. They are in semi-finals like 3-0 streaks. So I think both teams are my hot favorite teams. But if on the day the team perform best, I will appreciate them. No doubt, Africa is playing ablessly. But the thing is, Asian first. I think Asian first. If the Champions Trophy is in Asia, in Pakistan, as we are defending champions, the Champions Trophy 2017 is in Pakistan. So I think the Champions Trophy move through the border and we can see in Dubai.
I'm supporting India because they are the #1 side right now. If you see, they have the complete batting package like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Suresh Iyer, Hardik Pandya. If you come towards bowling side, their bowling is extraordinary. If you see, there is Harshit Rana, Mohammad Shami, Varun Chakravarti, and Varun Chakravarti is one of the most dangerous bowlers in spin right now. If you see, against New Zealand, he performed very outstanding. 5 wickets for just 42 runs, but that is extraordinary. I don't know from where India producing talent like this. Exceptional.
So if finally India go through the final, then final will not be here. Doesn't it hurt you?
Yeah, it's hurting. It's very sad that we can't see India right in front of our eyes, but it's part of the game. Sometimes you have to tolerate these things, and especially my hopes all for India, because India is #1 team right now. If Pakistan can't win, if Bangladesh can't win, if Afghanistan can't win, we can't give a trophy to SENA countries, especially Europe countries. We have to. If you say to me, Virat Kohli, I want to see Virat Kohli in front of my eyes. I wanted to cheer for Virat Kohli. I wanted to cheer for Team India. Especially I wanted to cheer for Hardik Pandya because they are our childhood heroes, because they are our favorite heroes. But as I say earlier, it's very sad not to see these players in front of Gaddafi Stadium in Karachi, in Lahore. Recently, 2 days ago, Vikrant Gupta, the Indian journalist, came to Pakistan, and Pakistani sports him a lot. By bus.